Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting fabric paint intended for fabrics but usable on paper. It has binder to adhere. Once chosen, shake or stir to distribute pigments. Protect your table and tape edges so paint won't wick under. Make sure to use a scrap beneath. Now test on scrap paper. Apply a small stroke to check absorption and bleed. If paint sinks too fast, thin slightly with water, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon at a time, to maintain color and flow. Once your base tests behave, start building layers. You should work light to dark so corrections are easier. Allow each coat to dry 10 to 20 minutes depending on thickness. Make brush choices intentionally, round brushes for detail, flats for washes and edges. When you need a translucent glaze, thin paint slightly. For texture, keep it thicker. Also, blot rather than scrub to lift mistakes. You want to avoid scrubbing wet paper, because that weakens fibers. You finish by making the paint durable. If the paint label permits, heat set on low with an iron through a protective cloth for 3 to 4 minutes. Otherwise, let it air dry 24 to 48 hours. Once dry, add a clear fixative spray for extra protection, testing first on scrap. If bleeding happens, don't panic. Let it dry completely, then trim feathered edges or paint a controlled opaque layer over the bleed. This both conceals and stabilizes the edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.